Hi, I'm Ashita J from BCA department and I'm here to present on a topic called as iterators and generators in the JavaScript. In JavaScript, an iterator is an object which defines a sequence and potentially a return value upon its termination. Specifically, an iterator is any object which implements the iterative protocol by having a next method that returns an object with two properties. The first property is about the value where the next value in the iteration sequence included and the next one is about done, which is nothing but boolean. This is true if the last value in the sequence has already been consumed. If the value is present alongside done, then it is the iterator's return value. So once created, an iterated object can be iterated explicitly by repeatedly calling the next, and this is done only at once. After a terminating value has been yielded, additional calls to the next should be continued to return. So the most common iterator in the JavaScript is about array iterator, which returns each value in the associate array in the sequence. While it is easy to imagine that all the iterators can be expressed as arrays, and this is not true. Arrays must be allocated in their entirety, but iterators are consumed as only as the necessary. Because of this, iterators can express sequences of unlimited size, whereas their range of integers between 0 and infinity. Next, how to implement these iterative functions. First of all we need is to access the objects that represent the cities. We can get this by calling or by using a keyword called this, which refers the parent of the function, which in case is the username and grouped by the location of an object. Next is about generators. We have already learned how to make object iterable, but how does this relate to generators? While iterators are powerful tool, it's not common to create. But we have to be very careful when programming iterators as the bugs can have serious consequences and managing the internal logic can be challenges. So generally generators are useful tool that allows us to create iterators by defining a function. And this approach is very less error prone and always allows us to create iterators more efficiently. An essential characteristic of generators and iterator is that it allows you to stop and continue execution as needed. So coming to the declaration of a generator, it is very simple and similar to declare a generator as compared to a regular function. As we need to do is add an asterisk in front of the name. In the given example, we can notice that there is an asterisk symbol which is added in front of the name. So thus both generators and iterators may not be something that we need to use every day, but when we encounter such situations that require their unique capabilities, knowing how to use them, it can be a great advantage for us. Thank you.